Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Tumblr VPN app. So first thing you have to do is actually go to Play Store and install it because it's a very good app, an official one at that. So after you've installed the app, you click on open and it's going to open up. You have to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service as well. So after that, you click on agree, and once you agree, it's going to load up like this, and you can see you have it's actually a paid app, right? It's a paid app, so you have 7 days free trial, where afterwards you can now pay for their services. So it's a paid app actually, good paid app. So afterwards, you can see the re-app and you have to allow notifications and the rest of that. So after that, once you want to connect, you just click on this carrot right here and it's going to connect to your phone. The VPN is going to connect and it's going to show above your screen. So let me just click on OK and you can see OK is finding the fastest one and you can see it's right here. So you can see that my VPN is actually connected right now. So this is actually how to use VPN, the toolbar VPN. And once you click on right there, you can actually sign into their app and you can use it on your desktop as well. And you can see the server locations that are available and you can pay and upgrade. You can see the streaming as well. So once you upgrade, you're going to get a good version of the app. You can see it comes with ads. That's why you need to actually subscribe to the app for you to be able to enjoy the app very well. So it's a good one. Access resource with ease and global, fast and secure servers, unlimited stable speed as well. So it's a good one. So that's just how to literally use the toolbar VPN, secure VPN proxy. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and locally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.